We got Randy and Ethan doing the steak challenge tonight. They got an hour to complete it all.
Hey everybody, this is Randy Santel, Atlas with Atlas and Zeus Promotions, the proud owner of foodchallenges.com. Very, very excited tonight. We made it over to Billings, Montana. I'm going for overall win number 453 and my first in the state of Montana, which will be state number 40. But I am here, we're back with Ethan Teskey. He did that burger challenge with me yesterday in North Dakota. But tonight we are at Bull Mountain Grille. We're taking on their 78-ounce steak challenge. Now, this thing looks frickin' delicious. A 78-ounce massive ribeye steak. Along with there is a big roll on the side. It's about 1.5 pounds of loaded mashed potatoes. And then there is a healthy side salad full of fiber to get all this steak down. But we've got 1 hour to finish. If we fail, it's gonna be $110, so we do not wanna do that. But if we win, we're gonna get the meal free. We'll get sweet t-shirts to add to our collections, and we'll be one of the few people on their wall of fame. So, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's get this challenge started. Alright, so Ethan beat me by a couple seconds technically on that last challenge, so I'm going to whoop him tonight. But we are both trying to beat the 26-minute record. We have an hour where we're going to try to beat that 26-minute record. The loser, he doesn't know about this bet yet, but the loser afterwards, if we have the room obviously, loser's got to buy. We have not had Rocky Mountain oysters in forever, so we'll split those afterwards. But alright, let's eat. 1, 2, 3. Boom. All right, they sharpened these knives for us today, so should be good. And we of course went with the steaks medium rare. Let's shut up and eat. Oh yeah. 8 minutes and 40 seconds in. I think I'm over halfway through this 78-ounce steak. It's definitely worrisome when you're doing a challenge that costs over 100 bucks if you lose. But with steaks, typically it means that the steak is just an awesome cut, going to be very juicy and delicious. And that's exactly what this one is. It's been awesome so far. I know he's killing his too, but I think we're about equal. If anything, hell, he's a little bit ahead. But time to catch up, and I'll beat him in the end. I've been keeping this all as one piece, letting it all stay real warm on the inside, so it should be nice and juicy still. 21 and a half minutes in, I'm done with the steak. I don't think I'm gonna break the record, but we'll see. Just gotta try to beat him over here, he's eager. "26 minutes, 55 seconds in. Record's already passed, but now it's all about beating old eager Ethan over here. "28 minutes and 41 seconds, not the official record, but a dang good time and an even better steak. Love that thing, but I will now, let's cheer on Ethan as he continues. He's got a few bites left.
Go, Ethan!
He's on his last few bites of bread. We had the meat sweats going earlier, but I think he's doing good. I know I'm doing good. All that meat's settling down, but let's go, Ethan, you got it. Ah! 31 minutes and 42 seconds. What'd you think of the steak? Did you like it?
Excellent steak, very good ribeye.
Excellent steak, yeah, that was awesome. What about the mashed potatoes?
The loaded mashed potatoes were one of my
Yeah, the cheese and everything on there made it really excellent. But yeah, overall, awesome challenge. We got the $110 meal for free. We'll get sweet t-shirts, which they have one right here. So yeah, one for each of us. But it's got on there everything's biggest in Montana. But yeah, so this was my first win in the state of Montana, and it was Ethan's as well.
First
so,
win, yes.
Yes, yeah, but no, awesome challenge. We got another one in Montana coming up tomorrow, but thank you to Bull Mountain Grille for their awesome 78-ounce steak challenge, and now he gets to buy the Rocky Mountain oysters. So thank you to Bull Mountain Grille, and thank you guys for watching.